60 feet. Making sure he's got that next brace on. They are required to wear complete 5 feet. Now, we're going to have driver's introduction tomorrow. And what time do we decide to do the work tomorrow? Do we know yet? Well, advertise up till 7:30, but the contract is 7, so I don't know.
We're wicked, ain't it, boy? Yeah, that's smoke come from it.